family. We made it to Fort Lauderdale. We have touched down. We have touched down. I gotta give it to Miss Bernadette, Mr. Soon. Boy, they took care of us. They took care of us on this flight here. When I say customer service, 100%, 100% customer service. Best to ever do it. Best to ever do it.
Thank you.
Yes. Good morning, family. It is cruise day. We got the crew here ready.
Yes.
We ready to get it in. Mrs. Mack, you ready to get it in?
I'm ready.
You don't sound ready, Mrs. Mack. I know KJ ready.
Yes,
to get it.
sir.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about, KJ. Yeah. He's gonna get us. We're gonna get us a quick bite to eat here at the hotel before we have a driver come pick us up and take us to the port. See you.
We arrived at Terminal AA, which is MSC's terminal. If I'm not mistaken, it's the largest terminal in the world, or maybe the country. But anyway, it's definitely a nice terminal. A lot of tech advances there, so it makes the check-in process very seamless, especially if you do most of your check-in online with your passport and your selfie. Take a selfie. All you got to do is, once you get there, scan your passport, facial recognition, and you are on your way.
That was smooth. People, pre-check-in, do all your stuff online. It makes it so much easier.
MSC's Terminal AA is definitely made our way down the gangway, and then we entered MSC Seaside. MSC definitely know how to greet their sailors. Glass of champagne, high energy. Definitely a good way to start the cruise. Our sailing was from December 19th to December 26th, so we were there for Christmas, and of course they had the ship decorated. The bartenders had on Santa hats. They definitely went all out for the holiday season.
Hey guys, it's me, 𝐬𝐫𝐿, and my mommy, the queen.
Hey, and the princess.
It's just me.
Yes, the princess.
And look who's in
𝐬𝐿.
front of us.
The king.
the
And
king.
Jester. It's Jester. It's called
Jester. Move. I record because I know what I'm doing.
Bro, I did better than you. Whatever.
That don't matter.
That don't matter.
So I'm here, and we're gonna use our bands to watch a show that we're gonna do later on.
Yeah.
And we just got on the boat. MMC. We digging it so far, like our daddy said. We're digging it.
Yes, we are. So we come back over here.
Like your head in the
I think
way.
everyone missed me recording.
Boy, boo. What time? 8 o'clock? Let's do 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Well, it depends what time we finish dinner.
I know. We'll go to dinner about 6.
6.
6, 7. When we say it again. 6, 7.
No, I'm inside, Daddy.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, you.
Oh, we all gotta do it?
It doesn't work for y'all, man.
Oh, wait.
Place your wristband or cruise card near the digital detector. I can read.
Barely. Don't do my mama like that.
It ain't working.
Oh no, it's working.
You
Oh,
wanna try the cruise
sugar
card?
beet. But anyway, I'll get back to you guys.
After we couldn't get the display to work, we decided to head over to the Seaside Bar, which is at the atrium when you first come in.
All right. First one of the cruise. First one of the cruise. Try to get that Tokyo tea. He put some green apple sour in there just to make it green. Ain't that green? We gonna sip up. Okay. I think I'll be all right with that one. Family, they starting already. We at the Seaside Bar, right here at the atrium area.
How's the day, sir?
We got the.
How's the day?
It's good. It's good. So we getting a little drinks. Why KJ talk about? I need to see a menu, please. Like this little Mama Tama drink on the regular. This boy crazy.
Oh, okay.
Where your menu at, KJ?
We're in the MSC.
Did you tell him what you want? Mojito.
Here's a shot of the cocktail menu at the Seaside Bar. That drink definitely was strong. One of the better drinks I had while I was on board.
I think I'd have
Hey y'all,
to. If you don't mind.
it's about 12 o'clock. Miss Mack, she gone already. I was trying to show y'all that we can do the mustard drill on your phone, but Miss Mack is toe up already, y'all. I love it. Cause she don't get drunk for real.
I'm on vacation.
Again, they had decorations throughout the ship. So after that, we decided to go up to the marketplace buffet. It was your standard ship buffet. Meh. After we grabbed the bite to eat, we went up to the arcade bowling alley. Small arcade. They have the F1 simulator and a virtual reality simulator as well. Cool thing is they definitely have a 2-lane bowling alley, which we were able to take part in later on in the cruise. That's an extra fee. And the arcade itself is they only have a couple of games and a air hockey and a couple of prize pick games. A little bit on the smaller side for a ship arcade. Then we headed to the Jungle Pool Lounge area. That's where you'll find your water slides, your little kids water park, and things of that nature.
almost flipped it over the bowl because it's so hard to cut. But I did get it cut. It's like that one time, so this is hard to cut too. It's not bad. I just don't want it.
I'm not like you suckers. I got a salad. They need salad too. I'm not eating no food. That's only like your third salad.
How is it?
It's good.
Kind is it?
Caesar. Just lettuce and cheese.
How your meatball, buddy? I got the meatball too, so you try it out, see how it is. We will let you know. All right. Meatball is definitely seasoned well. A little tough, but overall it's decent. It's pretty good. Definitely flavorful. So appetizer, we'll go ahead and give it a thumbs up for the appetizer. We'll see what we got going on for the main course. Y'all know I love me some seafood. So I got the Maine lobster tail as an add-on to my meal in the main dining area. It was cooked okay.
It's different.
Wasn't as sweet as I would like it. And it wasn't as hot as I thought it would be for the extra $20 that I spent for it. You know, it is what it is. Oh, I'm gonna eat it. You better believe that.
Got a little piece? Did I have a little piece?
Can't have nothing. Cheesecake pretty good. Wish it was a little more colder, but not bad. Dinner first night, MSC Seaside. I give it a B-, C+. Hopefully it'll get better.